Basic Appraisal Principles, page 200. 1. When one person holds title to real property, it is referred to as sole ownership. 2. Sole ownership is also called an estate in severalty. 3. A group of people who join together to engage in real property investments is called a syndicate. It is not an actual legal form of ownership, but rather a group. 4. When two or more people simultaneously share title to one piece of property, it is called multiple ownership. 5. It's right of survivorship. Under the right of survivorship, when a joint tenant dies, the deceased interest goes to the surviving co-owners. The joint tenancy interest cannot be willed or inherited. 6. In a tenancy in common, the co-owners' interests are undivided, which means that each co-owner has an equal right to possess, occupy the entire property. This is the most basic form of co-ownership. 7. In a joint tenancy, two or more people are equal owners of real property and have the right of survivorship. Number 8. The 4 unities of title define a joint tenancy. The unities are unity of interest, unity of title, unity of time, and unity of possession. Number 9. A partition suit is a legal action that divides the interests in the property. Number 10. Severance ends joint tenancy ownership and eliminates the right of survivorship. But unlike partition, it does not separate the co-ownership. Instead, it transfers a joint tenancy, or it transforms a joint tenancy into a tenancy in common. Number 11. Tenancy by the entirety is a less used form of concurrent ownership coupled with the right to survivorship, similar to joint tenancy. However, unlike joint tenancy, where each tenant owns an equal interest in the property, each tenant owns an undivided whole of the property. This form of ownership can only be created by married persons. 12. A tenancy in partnership is simply an association of two or more persons who join together as co-owners to carry on a business for profit. There are 2 types of partnerships: general partnership and limited partnership. 13. In a general partnership, each partner has an equal interest in the partnership property and the right to equal possession of the property. The partner's interest in the profits, losses, and property is proportionate to their individual capital investment, unless otherwise agreed upon in a partnership agreement.